Hi for Connect, welcome to Soundwaves for week 3. This week we're looking at unit 23 and it's the sound. There's a lot of graphemes or letter combinations that we have to learn this week. We have IR like bird, UR like nurse, OR like world, and ER like fern. So these are probably the ER is the most common. And we'll see as we go through all the words, it's quite an unusual sound and there's a lot to remember. So number 1 is to circle the letters that represent in the list words. I've got them there for you. You can go down and find IR, first, third, 13, 30, stir, were. Notice that's ERE, that's an unusual one, so we're going to put that in our grapheme chart. Were. We often get that mixed up with where, WHERE. And next one, number 8, world, OR. Heard, HEAR. EAR is making the sound, that's an unusual one. HEARD. The next one's also an unusual one, early, EARLY. Church, UR. Circle, IR. Purple, return, world, worst, learn, there's another EAR, serve, service, Thursday, turtle, journey. There's another unusual grapheme, OUR, saying usually that would be hour. JOURNEY. We're going to add that to the grapheme chart. 23, observe, ER, vertical, meaning a line going up and down, ER, and worthwhile, OR. Okay, so we can tick off number 1. Number 2, we're going to write any other letters. We've done that one. And third, we're going to do a stroke for every sound. Now, don't write the number, do the strokes. And the reason we do that is when we're spelling words and words we don't know, we can sound them out and stretch them out and represent a grapheme or letters for each sound that we hear. So the first one, dirt, t. Do that in your head or out loud. S, t. I like to space them out. D, t, e, n. T, e, 30, stir, s, t, were, word, d, heard, d, early, e, church, ch, circle, s, k, purple, p, Notice LE in these two make one sound, the E silent. Return, r, t, n. World, d. Were, st. Learn, n. Serve, v. Notice the silent E. Service, v, e. CE making a S sound, the soft S sound with the E after it. Thursday, A. Notice AY saying A, we learnt that at the start of term 1. Turtle, t, Journey, Observe, v. vertical, v, t, I, k, ow. Worthwhile, what, what, I, ooh. Okay, now we're going to look at number 4, and we're looking for E-R-E letter combination saying Where's the list word there? Okay, number 7, were. O-U-R representing Remember that one we wrote in our grapheme chart? Journey, J-O-U-R-N-E-Y. E-A-R representing and there were 3. We had heard, early, and learn. Heard, early, and learn. Now you can go ahead at any time. If I'm going too fast or too slow, you can pause it. If I'm going slow, you can jump ahead and see how you've gone. Okay, now we're looking for 2 words with p sound. It's number 13. I'll give you a little clue. Sorry, not 2 words, 1 word with the 2 p sounds. 1 word with 2 t sounds. I'll give you a clue. It's down 21. A word with 2 s sounds. Now it's not an S. One's an S and one's a C-E. I think number 19. I'll give you that clue. 2 ch sounds. Give you a clue on that one. Number 11. And 2 w sounds. Number 25. So see how you go with those. All right. So we should have purple. Ooh, make sure you're writing resting on the line nice and neatly. Turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E. Service, S-E-R-V-I-C-E. The C-E saying S. And S. Church, the ch sounds. And lastly, worthwhile. H-I-L-E, the 2 w sounds. Okay, for number 5, you're going to unjumble the letters to make a list word, and then write a rhyming word for each, and it can be your own rhyming word. I'll give you a bit of a clue, and I'll underline the starting letter, D, and you can go ahead and do those yourself and see how you've gone when you come back, and I'll check them with you. So you can go ahead if you feel confident. Okay, and we'll do some rhyming words. First one was were, W-E-R-E. And something that rhymes with were, we could do her, H-E-R. The next one is dirt. And a rhyming would be perhaps hurt, H-U-R-T. The next one is first. And a rhyming word could be first and maybe thirst, T-H-I-R-S-T. The next one is serve, S-E-R-V-E. And a rhyming word, serve, maybe serve and serve, observe, O-B-S-E-R-V-E. Next one is word. Rhyming word could be heard, H-E-A-R-D. The next one, stir. Did you get that one? What would rhyme with stir? Maybe stir. You could do were again, W-E-R-E. This one is beginning with an L. Did you find it? It's learn, L-E-A-R-N. Learn, and a rhyming word could be learn and maybe turn, T-U-R-N. And the last one is third, T-H-I-R-D. Third and We could do herd again. We could do a different herd. This one is a cattle herd or a group, H-E-R-D. Okay, we're going to number 6, and we're going to finish off the words with the correct combination of letters or graphemes. We've got st, I-R, w, E-R-E, d, t, return, U-R, worst, O-R, observe, E-R, circle, I-R, world, O-R, early, E-A-R, journey, O-U-R, I-R, first, and worthwhile, O-R. Okay, now we're going to use these words and we're going to find an antonym. Remember, that means opposite, anti, for these words. So the opposite of last would be first, F-I-R-S-T. The opposite of best or antonym would be worst, W-O-R-S-T. The opposite of late, early. It's up there. The opposite of keep, if you hold on to it and then you put it back, you might return, R-E-T-U-R-N. If something is useless, the opposite might be, it would be worthwhile doing, W-O-R-T-H, worthwhile, W-H-I-L-E. Notice the silent H and the silent E. Okay, this one we're going to look at for synonyms. Synonyms means the same, words that are similar. Soil, we could have dirt. Mix, stir. Earth, this could be the world. Or we could do dirt as well if you're standing on loose earth, another meaning. Trip would be a journey, J-O-U-R-N-E-Y. And watch, we would observe, O-B-S-E-R-V-E. Okay, that's your Soundwaves lesson for today, and I'll post another video for the second page. Well done.